In this increasingly digitized world, reality and virtual reality are intertwined. Technology has an immense impact on everything from global culture to our daily interactions with each other. Artists have been harnessing new technologies to bring people and communities together. The use of technology in culture reflects our values. Creativity, connection, exploration, community. The pursuit of these values can be seen in an experiential artwork called Assemblance. Assemblance is an interactive installation and digital art performative experience created by Umbrellium in 2004. Assemblance is an experience that aims to create live spectacles using laser projection technologies, collaboration, and teamwork. Umbrellium is a design and build studio in London. Innovators at Umbrellium bring people together through their innovative, creative, and interactive environments. Umbrellium creates everything from spectacular interactive architecture and participatory platforms to dynamic streetscapes and urban technology infrastructures. Assemblance was shown at the new multimedia exhibition, Digital Revolution, at the Barbican in London in 2014. To step into the environment of Assemblance is to step into a dark room. Three-dimensional light fields shine from above. You can reach out and touch the light, manipulating it with your hands and body. Touch triggers light formation and the release of smoke and bubbles in the air. Ambient sounds echo in reaction to your touch. Your body is the paintbrush, light is the paint, and the canvas is the air around you. You can move the light through sweeping gestures and gentle movements, build with it, sculpt, create three-dimensional interactive light sculptures with a gesture, a movement. Your motions become strokes of light and sound. The structures you create become more stable when built with another person. New forms emerge when people interact with each other's creations, yet one false move from your collaborator can destroy the entire structure. It's an exercise of creativity and teamwork. It brings up questions on trust and possession. In an interview with the founding partner of Umbrellium, Usman Huq speaks on the ideas behind the creation of Assemblance. He says, "The basic idea is that people enter an environment filled with three-dimensional interactive light structures they themselves have created, manipulated, and modified. We are using light to construct a semblance of physicality, and through sweeping gestures and gentle movements, people leave trails of light behind and around them. They become players on a stage, collaborating with each other to build complex forms or destroying them if they're not careful. We're interested in the structure of participation. How do you design an environment in which people that don't know each other build up enough trust in each other to collaborate on building delicate, ephemeral, luminescent structures that could fall apart if treated too roughly?" By interacting through the environment of Assemblance, reality and virtual reality merge. Assemblance uses lasers, haze, motion tracking, projectors, computers, audio and tactile output systems, custom software, and harnesses 3D printing technologies to create custom machinery such as their air movement systems. The hybridity of their interactive technologies makes the environment of Assemblance truly immersive. When the light sculptors interact with each other, new and surprising attributes are added to the artwork. Secret aspects, or Easter eggs, have been hidden by the creators. The Easter eggs can be uncovered in the space by seemingly random variables that can be as complex as a specific set of interactions between sculptors, or as simple as the time of day. Beautiful artworks can be created together, or destroyed by the careless quick gesture of someone else. Creativity, cultural values, and technology are intertwined. New technologies can bring people and communities together in interesting new ways. Works like Assemblance bring up questions about the relationship between the virtual and the real, how we feel about possession, whether something we spent time and effort in creating makes it a possession, questions of collaboration and teamwork, all while bringing people together in immersive environments that bring magic to reality. In Assemblance, just as in life, what a person does is affected by those around them. Life, at its best, is collaborative. The integration of technology and art, as exhibited in Umbrellium's Assemblance, not only opens up possibilities of merging the real and the virtual, but when combined with interactivity, opens up new questions about virtual culture and new possibilities for meaningful human connection in immersive collaboration.